We got some fiberglass. We're gonna mix this up and get that fender filled in. My bad, guys. I had a buddy of mine pull up asking me about a car, but as y'all can see, I got the fiberglass on there. It's already dry. It's been a few minutes, about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and sand that down. All right, we'll block it down now. We got our guide coat on there, and then I'll block hand it by hand. I'm gonna use the machine first. Alright guys, I got that blocked out pretty good, and then I'm gonna go back over it to get the pinholes, and we should be good there. It's hot.
What they talking about? I don't know.
I'm running out of sunlight, but I'm gonna skim over all the pinholes, and then I'm gonna fix these little areas. And I found 2 little spots right here with like a little bit deeper than pinholes, so we'll get that done. Off camera, I'm gonna fix this area right here, make sure all the rust is gone. And y'all can see I already treated this area. That's why I didn't put golly, primer over it last night, but I treated it. We're gonna clean it up, and then we'll probably fiberglass right there. I'm gonna weld what I can, like the small holes. We're gonna weld right there, and then that part should be ready to go. It's getting late, but I'm gonna show y'all when I got this all nice and smooth down. Them 2 little spots right there in this whole area. I'm gonna show y'all when I got it ready to go.
5 hours later.
I don't know where I left off last night, because I got frustrated with this freaking fender, guys. But look right here, as y'all can see, I was trying to weld in this area, and it just wouldn't hold a weld, so it was like real brittle. So I was like, man, you know what, let me just cut it out. And you can see, guys, my memory card went out on me. It's always something. But anyways, I got that treated, cut out, put a little paint in there so it don't get rusted back up. I block sanded this whole area again off camera while I was trying to get my memory card done or get it together. So I re-blocked this whole thing, and then I got all the pinholes knocked out too. Wrapped up the wheel. We cleaned this up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna try to get this sprayed before it gets dark. So let me get it taped up, guys. Hopefully I can get this patch welded in. I'm trying to hurry, guys. Got my piece ready to go. Dang it, I didn't even take the tape off. There we go. Once this is done, I'll be able to paint this up. I'm gonna have to put some fiberglass over this though. So yeah, I ain't gonna be doing that fast. like I think I am. Man, that's ugly. Hold on, guys. Let me get situated. Guys, I got it lined up. Crazy part about it, I got it lined up. I held it on with a piece of tape and then tacked it on there, and then I took the tape off. Actually, here's the tape right here. So that worked. It was just moving around too much with the magnet. So now I'm gonna get it filled in. I got it patched up pretty good. I'm gonna clean up the wells and we're gonna fill it in with fiberglass. Guys, this fender whooped my butt, man. But I got it all done. Dang, I don't need to be touching that. I just cleaned it. I did sheet metal, fiberglass, and then a little bit of body filler. And I got everything knocked out. Everything's cleaned up, ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and spray this real quick, and then that'll be probably close to the end of the video. Y'all need to stick around so y'all can see how the primer comes out. All right, guys, we're gonna do some B-roll and we're gonna get this primer sprayed. Alright guys, second coat. Alright, I got it on now. Can you see it? That looks good, huh? Good ball. Alright guys, we finally got it done. Then we're gonna get ready to do the doors and the hood. So y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.